Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's test video for J6BM075, a 2006 BMW X5 with a 3-liter under the hood. If you own one of these, I'm very sorry. I'm not a fan, just getting that out there. But this one runs well, it's got a lot of nice parts. Constantly locks you out of the vehicle, can't unlock any of the doors. Horrible ergonomics. But a nice couple wheels on it, nice tail lights, a real nice rear bumper assembly with parking sensors included. A very nice beige leather interior. Let me show it to you here. Oh, this door doesn't open. So let me go back over to this side. 80,000 miles and we already have latches going bad. Go BMW. But a very nice beige leather rear seat, as well as the front seats. All of the power seat motors work miraculously, because the last two we've had have not. See, even Ivan doesn't like this car. He doesn't want nothing to do with it. But we've got nice beige door panels. The driver's seat actually has very little wear, if any. The side panels are all in good shape, not held on with lag screws like I tend to see most BMW owners do. And as you can see here, 88,177 miles. All the pixels are working on the speedometer, another miracle. The radio pixels, however, do not. The temperature control, everything works. Okay, let's check out the transmission here. Got forward drive. Got reverse drive, and that's going to do it for J6BM075. You can visit our website at jnjoh.com, and you can call us toll free at 1-800-425-1555. If any BMW owners out there, if this video hurt your feelings, please let us know in the comments below. Other than that, as always, God bless America.